A taste of Lebanon, right in your home. Meet Sfeeha, a culinary masterpiece that's as delightful to your senses as it is to your palate. Picture a warm, golden pastry filled with a savory blend of minced meat, onions, tomatoes, and a sprinkle of pine nuts. The magic begins with a simple dough, kneaded to perfection. Then, the aromatic filling is prepared, a medley of flavors that will transport you straight to the heart of Beirut. The dough is then filled, folded, and baked until it reaches a beautiful golden hue. But it's not just about the taste. Each Sfeeha tells a story, a tale of tradition, culture, and love for food that's been passed down through generations. So the next time you're yearning for a culinary adventure, remember Sfeeha. It's not just a dish, it's a journey through the vibrant flavors of Lebanon. Stay curious, stay hungry, and until next time, keep exploring the world through your taste buds.